10 lines essay. Our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. One. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in Makkah. 2. He is the last prophet of Allah Almighty. 3. His father name was Abdullah. 4. His mother name was Amina. 5. Holy Quran revealed on our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. 6. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was honest and kind right from his childhood. 7. He was given the name of Sadiq and Amin. 8. He was married at the age of 25 to Hazrat Khadija. 9. At the age of 40, Allah bestowed prophethood on him. 10. At the age of 63, he met his Maker.